Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make collard greens in a can. First, drain your canned collard greens very well. This removes excess liquid. Next, rinse them under cold water for about 1 minute to wash away extra sodium. Finally, gather your seasoning ingredients, such as a smoked ham hock, a few slices of bacon, or some smoked turkey. These will add a rich, savory depth to your greens. Now, let's get cooking. In a large pot, sauté 1/2 cup of diced onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic in 1 tablespoon of olive oil until fragrant. Then, add your drained and rinsed collard greens along with your chosen smoked meat. Pour in 2 cups of chicken broth and a splash of apple cider vinegar. This combination creates a flavorful base for your greens. To truly enhance the flavor, season your greens with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little kick. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then cover and cook for at least 30 minutes. This allows all the flavors to meld beautifully. Remember to taste and adjust the seasonings before serving to ensure perfection. Your delicious canned collard greens are now ready to enjoy. Serve them warm as a hearty side dish with your favorite meal. For an extra layer of flavor, consider adding a dash of hot sauce or serving them alongside a warm slice of cornbread. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your flavorful, home-cooked greens.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.